Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today I'm making some cream puffs. This recipe includes milk, butter, all-purpose flour, vanilla extract, sugar, 2 eggs, and powdered sugar. Preheat your air fry toaster oven to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, let's get started. Get a saucepan and turn on your stove to medium heat and pour in 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of water, and 4 tablespoons of butter and stir it a little bit. And after that, add a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of bourbon vanilla extract and then stir it and let it simmer. Once your liquid starts to simmer, we can add 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and stir until we get a thick consistency and when all the flour has been cooked. Now let's get a mixer and put the dough in there. There's no way I'm mixing this with a whisk. You can, but I don't recommend it because it will take longer and your arms will get tired. And the reason I'm not putting in the eggs right away is because 1, we want it to cool down a little bit. When you don't see steam come out of the bowl, you're good to go. And 2, if we put in the eggs now, we will end up having scrambled eggs. This may kind of remind you of the video I made 2 weeks ago. And now that there's no steam coming out of the bowl anymore, we can crack in our first egg. Make sure to mix it thoroughly before adding the next one. And on the mixer, make sure to have it on number 6. At first, the dough might look like it's separating, so that's why it's time to add in our second egg right here, right now.
You know what I'm saying? That time they don't have no egg, okay? So I keep this thing to open it.
Oh, if you remember from one of my previous videos that I made months ago, that's Ba. He decided to randomly come to our house a few days ago and bring us fresh eggs from his farm. You can tell that your cream puff mixture is done when you see that the consistency is different and when you did the paddle attachment in the cream puff mixture and it looks like a V. And I learned that in culinary class. Now that it's ready, take a spatula and scrape down the sides of the bowl. And once you've done that, you can get a pastry bag and fill it with the cream puff mixture or get a Ziploc bag, fill it up, and cut the tip off the end. Now get a baking tray and on top put parchment paper and pipe a small amount of dough on the parchment paper. Now, get a small bowl of warm water and dip your finger in water and poke the top of each one. I'm doing this because if I don't do this, the tips would end up being burnt. Now it's time to bake these at 430 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, reduce temp to 335 degrees Fahrenheit for 90 minutes or until golden brown. And after that, let them cool in room temp for 20 minutes. Once they have cooled for 20 minutes, use the tip of a knife and prick the bottom of each one and fill each one with pastry cream for the filling. Since we made cream puffs last week in culinary class, I had some leftover pastry cream, so I decided not to waste it and make some more cream puffs at home. Also, if you want to see how I make the pastry cream, check out this YouTube video I made 2 weeks ago. Once you have piped all the pastry cream in each cream puff, dust each one with powdered sugar for a good presentation and for a richer taste. Also, if you're wondering how to say cream puffs in Spanish, it's puffs de crema. Cream puffs are done. Alright, it's time to try them. And I won't cap. Ooh. Mmm. Mm. This is so good. This kind of reminds me of Panama. Because I remember when I was in Panama last year, I got something similar to this at the bakery. Mmm. Que rico. Mmm. Estos no puedo resistir. Mmm. And the pastry cream, mmm. So good. You know, this pastry cream is something that I can never resist. And then these cream puffs, they're nice and they're soft and like the inside, the crunchy and the outside. Powdered sugar goes good on it. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Here. Yeah. Yeah, this is the rest of the pastry cream, so this is it. Mm. Mm. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!